We've talked about hiring a sales team, but that's just half the battle. If you want to build a construction business that generates millions per year, it's crucial that you not only take the management of your sales team seriously, but master it. That being said, let's go over the most important factors that contribute to you, the person in charge, successfully managing a sales team. Construction sales can be more challenging than other industries. Why? Because considering the length of construction projects, the sales timeline is often longer. This depends on the type of construction business, of course. For example, selling building materials has a shorter timeline than selling services for remodeling a home. But whatever the case may be, it's crucial that you keep in mind that the construction timeline will always affect your sales process. You are the driving force. With most businesses, as long as an employee is doing his or her job, they're going to go home at the end of the week with their paycheck. But what about sales reps that rely on commission, or at least their responsibility to close deals? If your sales reps aren't closing deals on your services or products, your construction business ain't turning a profit. It's that simple. So as a construction business owner, it's important to note that after keeping your team safe, it's your job to ensure they are closing deals. At the end of the day, this responsibility lies on you and you alone. Coaching versus management. Whether it's you or a sales manager, that's the ideal scenario, it's imperative to have someone on the team whose sole responsibility is to manage the sales reps, focus on the task at hand, and get immediate results to increase sales. That being said, someone to coach the sales team is an excellent way to improve the efficiency and morale of your sales team, as well as your entire sales process. Sales coaching. Whether it's you, the sales manager, or an outside coach or consultant, a solid coaching plan can drastically improve your construction business. This plan might include regular coaching sessions. The coach could meet with each sales rep on a regular basis. For new sales reps, it might be weekly. High-performing sales reps may need less time. Every 2 to 4 weeks may be sufficient. A coaching session might include health and happiness review, performance review, a sales pipeline review, and goal setting. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.